Okay everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an easy mockup with your today's sketchbook pro. For first of all, we import our package file or whatever you call it. So now I'm importing my package file. Okay, here it is. You can see it. We just enlarge it a little. Then you see the place I said close the eye. You see that it has no background. After doing that, you import your already designed let me say package flyer or something. Then we'll reduce the size and like this, you can see it clearly. Then we'll pick a blend mode. Okay, we'll be using overlay, sorry, not saturation, overlay. Yes, overlay. So as you can see, it's looking like it's already arranged. So after doing that, we'll click on transform. When you click on transform, you can see that you use it to arrange your already made package banner design or whatever you call it. So as you can see, I just arranged mine. Then after doing that, when you feel comfortable with what you're doing, you quickly press done. So after doing that, the next step is removing the background, because as you can see, when you click on that eye, you see that the background is still showing. So what we do is save it first with this white background. So here we've saved it to device. After doing that, we click on save. As you can see, then we'll come back to our Autodesk and hide the design. When we hide, we import the stuff we just saved. When we import it, we click on selection like what I've done. You see the place I cancelled, you have to tap outside. You have to tap outside. As you can see, it has selected outside. So we'll click on erase. You can see where I circled. Then we click on erase. You discover that you have erased the background. Then when you click on background, you close the eye. You discover that it has no background, so you save it like this without putting any background. Okay, so after saving, for those that want to go into more designing, here's what you do. So this is what I did. I imported them into my pixellab and arranged them in this sequence, the middle one in front while the rest of them behind. So the one in front activated the shadows. The activating shadows just to make it look like it's really at the front of the two package files. So after doing that, we do this. Okay, and reduce the opacity. We are creating our base shadow because I lost my base shadow, so I'm just trying to create a mini base shadow. Sometimes looks like a base shadow. Okay, so like this, bring it behind the test. Sorry, not test. Bring it behind the product. Okay, as you can see, it's looking like it's really standing under something. You can use your own base shadow, but for me, I just created something just for this tutorial. So now we're going to be working on reflection. These are just easy tricks you can make on your pixellab. You bring it below and reduce opacity. Remember, we activated shadow, so what we do is to switch it off and we'll make it this way. As you can see, it's looking like a reflection. Then we can copy it. When you're done, you can copy it and put behind other ones like that, just to make a very nice reflection. Okay, so here it is like this, and we'll make the other one too. As you can see, we successfully made a very nice reflection under. The next thing to do is you just put in our writings. Pick colors and change fonts, so I'm not doing that. Okay. Activate them boss. If you already have a company logo, you can design it the way you want, freestyle. It's your design, just own your work and make good use of what you're doing. So after you love what you're doing, you like what you have done, you duplicate and just change font. Okay. Okay, so after inputting our writings, we can usually save our work. I think that's all when you're done with saving your work. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to be able to see more of this. And make sure when you're done with subscribing, you comment down below that I have subscribed for you to get your own package. Thank you very much.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never